Today's topic is ratio. To understand ratio, we need to understand comparison. Comparison can be done in two ways. Comparison by difference, comparison by division. Let us take an example. Here is a bike and the price of bike is rupees 50,000. Here is a car and the price of car is rupees 2 lakh. Now we can compare their price through difference. So let us find out what is the difference of prices. It is 1,50,000. Let us compare through division also. Let us divide in 2 lakh by 50,000. We get 4. It means we can say the price of car is 4 times more than the price of bike. So it is another way to compare. We can say that ratio is a comparison of the sizes or measures of two or more quantities of same kind by division. Just like we compare the prices of car and bike through division and we get 4. It means the ratio of price of car and bike is 4:1. If A and B are two quantities of the same kind, then the fraction A upon B is called the ratio of A to B. It is written as like this and read as A is to B. The quantities A and B are called the terms of the ratio. A is called the first term or antecedent. B is called the second term or consequent. Let us understand more about ratio. The ratio of rupees 1 to rupees 3 is 1:3. The ratio of 9 kilogram to 13 kilogram is 9:13. Here we can see that in first example the ratio of quantities which are in form of rupees. Both are in form of rupees. In second example 9 kilogram, 13 kilogram. Both are in form of mass or we can say weight. Ratio is a fraction or we can say we can write ratio as a fraction. For example, 6:8 can be written as 6/8 and we can apply all the concepts of fraction in that. For example, just multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator. We will get 18/24. 18 by 24 is equivalent fraction of 6/8. In the same way, 18:24 is an equivalent ratio of 6:8. We can apply another concept of fraction just by dividing the same number in numerator and denominator and we will get 3/4 which is equivalent fraction of 6/8 or we can say 3:4 is equivalent ratio of 6:8. The order of terms in a ratio is very important. How? Let us see. The ratio of rupees 1 to rupees 3 is 1:3. But you know the ratio of rupees 3 to rupees 1 is? That is 3:1 and both are different. Ratio exists only between two quantities of the same kind as I told earlier also. There is no ratio between the weight of one child and height of one child.
So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.